calculator keystrokes for calculating parallels. If I have a 1K, a 2K, and a 3K in parallel, the formula says I need to do 1 over 1K plus 1 over 2K plus 1 over 3K, and then take 1 over that. So I am going to be using the 1 over x key on your calculator. On this particular calculator, it's x to the minus 1. So when I'm pressing the x to the minus 1, you're going to be pressing your 1 over x. You have a EE key on your calculator. We've used this before. This EE key is a second function key, but basically the keystrokes are the same. So what I will do is enter the numbers. So it's 1EE3. So I go 1EE3, 1 over x, plus 2EE3, 1 over x, plus 3EE3, 1 over x, equals, so after you add all the 1 over x's, you get 0.0018333333. Now I need to do 1 over x one more time. So I go 1 over x again, and my answer is 545.45 ohms. So let's try another one. The reason I'm using this calculator is this is the only virtual calculator that's available, believe it or not, online. Okay, let me clear that out. Now we're going to try 1.5 meg in parallel with 2 meg. So the keystrokes are the same. The only difference is I'm doing a 6 for the meg. So I go 1.5 EE 6 1 over x plus 2 EE6. So I go 2 EE6 1 over x. Now I hit the equal sign, and again I get a very, very tiny number. So this number here that I'm seeing is really read 1.16 times 10 to the minus 6, or micro, but I still have to hit one more 1 over x key. So I go 1 over x equals, so that is equal to 857K. If it's 857,000, but if I want to convert that to K, I move the decimal place over 3. Okay, let's clear that out. Let's try the next one. This time I have 3. Now, there is the products over sums rule. You can only use that for 2 resistors in parallel. The products over sums rule, meaning multiply all the numbers and then divide by the addition of them, does not work for 3 or more resistors. Okay, so I have 5.3 meg in parallel with 560 and in parallel with 2K. Notice my middle number doesn't have a metric prefix. That's okay, I just don't hit the EE key for that one. Alright, so we'll start with the first one. So I go 5.3 EE6 1 over x plus, now that this is my regular number, so I just put it in, 560 1 over x plus 2EE3, so 2EE3 1 over x, equal sign, so hit the equal sign, again a small number, and hit the 1 over x one last time, equals 437.46 ohms. Notice that all final answers have the total resistance less than the smallest parallel resistor value. This is always true. And at the end of all the examples, you press the equal sign, as we did, and then the 1 over x key again. If you forget the last 1 over x key, your number will always be very, very small and less than 0, like something like this number here that was very, very small. Hope you enjoyed the video.